Kanabali. Hindi ito Iraq na pwede mong gawin. You are dealing with a great superpower. So, nagkaaway ang mga elepante. Sino natotoda? Tayo maliliit, di ba? Tayo maliliit ang natotoda. Yung mga elepante, mga tigre, they know how to survive. Tayo nagiging collateral. We are down. So, let us contribute a small voice to peace, harmony, justice. So, you should solve. No, ako din ang mga Russia. Until I saw them in also, they're very friendly. They're very civilized. They are a factor in civilization. Hindi sila yung inaakala nila. Although, sometimes the Western press will portray them in another manner. So I'm not so sure international law was violated. I'm not so sure. In fact, I don't think so. They are there because merong treaty na natin. Kapag kinasa na lang yung treaty yan, sa bansa,